Many stories have an alternate version. This second version comes courtesy of my brother. Most of you have heard the story of Bhasmasura. Have you heard the story of Kayakasura? This is how the story goes. Vanquishing of Kayakasura. A demon called Kayakasura did severe penance to Lord Shiva to please him and received a boon in return. Wanting immortality, he laid the following conditions to Lord Shiva. O Supreme Lord, I should not be touched by Agni, Vayu, Varuna or Yama. No Pralaya can get rid of me. No demon, god, human or animal can defeat me single-handedly. As I am the Kayakasura, no one should be able to sit on me and defeat me. As a further guarantee that you, Shiva, the destroyer, cannot defeat me, I will have you lying down from now on. Shiva agreed to all these conditions as he knew the demon will at some point invite destruction upon himself. Kayakasura immediately set forth causing chaos by troubling all life. He took control of Agni and unleashed forest fires. He took control of Vayu and Varuna and unleashed hurricanes and tsunamis. He also made Yama unleash COVID or humanity. Humans and sages beseeched Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva said he could not take back his boon and suggested that they consult with Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu smiled and said that Kayakasura could be conquered and that it would need everyone, humans, gods, to be united and channel all their positive energy against Kayakasura. Thus, the humans got together and prayed to Bhuma Devi and honored her by curbing their greed. They focused on being green, that is, reduce, recycle, and reuse. They also became tolerant and kind to one another. The Ashtalakshmis, the 8 Lakshmis, calmed the humans and gave them strength. The gods stood in balance around Lord Shiva, who was in Sayanam on a stand-up paddle boat. Lord Vishnu took his Krishna avatar and with ease stood and balanced himself on the Kayakasura as he was adept at dancing on the serpent Kalinga. The Trinity musicians came to sing and celebrate in the anticipation of victory of good over evil. With this united front, the mighty Kayakasura was vanquished, and with him all the chaos that was plaguing humanity. However, as he cannot be touched by Yama, he can only be kept in check and not killed. We celebrate this Golu to remind us that to keep the Kayakasura and his plagues under control, we need to be united, respect our fellow human beings, and maintain a healthy balance with nature. Dear all, may this Navratri and the festival season bring you all the best of health, peace and joy. Stay safe.